Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on iCloud backup in your iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 15 and you are wondering how to turn on iCloud backup. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there, you need to click here your profile name. After click over there, you need to click here iCloud, and then you will see skin appear just like this. You need to scroll down and then you will find there's something say device backup. So if it is off, you can simply turn like backup this phone, backup our caller if you want. So now you can see I have successfully turned on iCloud backup for my iPhone 15 device. Now you can see this is the old device backup and here is my device. So within this simple way you can easily turn on iCloud backup in your iPhone 15. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.